Alright guys, so in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use your passing chord part 2. I'm going to read this song, You Are the Reason I Live. Let me play it, then I'll explain further. You are the reason I live. For the world, for the world, for why should I? Stop here. So I'm doing it on the key of F. That's your do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Hope you're following. So on the key of F. First off, see the progression of this song. I will use the soft notation and the number pattern as well. You start with your 1. You are is your 1. Hope you're getting it. This is second inversion of your do. Which is your 1. So again, you are the reason. On my left I played my do, so, do. On my right I played my so, do, re, mi, so. So, do, re, mi, so. So I'm holding it. You are the reason. So see the passing chord here. This is your G major. You can also call it your Fi. So again, once you play it, the next chord is your 5 or your so. Again, you are the reason I live. You're the one for. So the next chord is your mi. That's the passing chord to your fa. Once you play your mi, the next chord is your fa. Okay, I'm gonna start again. You are the reason I live. Remember on your left, if you played your so, your left will be your so, your re, your so, the octave. Just playing your octave on your left. You are the reason I live. You're the one. Understand? Play on your mi, then your so. Reason I you're the one. Then your so. Then the next part, your why should I? Hope you're following. Oh, I'm not too fast. Why? I just play the notes. Why should I just do something like a grace note here. Instead of why should I, you do why should I? But the main chord here is your fa. You are going to your fa. Why should I? Once you play your fa, this is your fa. On your left you play your fa, your la, your do, this is your fa chord. Again. Why should I? I'm just voicing the song here. Hold your so. Say then your la. from here is very simple. So again, you can just play your, but it's your La. Why should I? Your La. Again, your Mi, Fa, and your Sol. Again, then here you play your Z, La for this part. Your A, then your La. Okay, following. Let's start from here again. See how you play your La. On your left, you play your La and your Mi. Then on your right, you play your La, Do, Mi. A major is also known as your Z, La. Then again your Mi, then your Fa. What you mean to me, they don't know what you mean to me. Hope you understood it. So this is how to add your passing chord to your play to make your play very wonderful. So let me do it again with the beats, then we call it a tutorial. You are the reason I live to offer. This is how to use your passing chord to make your play wonderful. Please guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please do well to like, subscribe, share. Love you guys. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.